Are you ready to face a hard truth about AI in business? Here it is. The real obstacle to success isn't the technology itself, it's how people react to it. Think AI will transform your company overnight? Many executives think so, yet most are left scratching their heads, wondering why those game-changing results aren't materializing. Let's dig into the facts. Despite the nonstop buzz around artificial intelligence, most companies struggle to convert these high-tech investments into concrete bottom-line wins. According to a survey by Boston Consulting Group of 1,000 executives worldwide, just 26% of organizations report meaningful financial benefits from their AI initiatives. Sure, some leading-edge companies are seeing rewards. 45% have enjoyed reduced costs, and 60% note stronger revenue growth. But for the vast majority, tangible results remain frustratingly out of reach. But here's where it gets controversial. What's holding organizations back isn't the complexity of AI systems. It's the human side of the equation. A whopping 92% of executives polled in the 2025 AI Data Leadership Executive Benchmark Survey said that resistance to change and challenges in managing it are crippling AI adoption. As Michael Wade and co-authors observed in the MIT Sloan Management Review, the fate of AI projects hinges far less on the infrastructure and far more on whether people are ready to adapt, collaborate, and evolve alongside these new tools. So what's the real takeaway? To truly unlock AI's benefits, leaders need to stop focusing solely on technology and start strengthening their people's ability to adapt, transforming resistance to change into genuine resilience. Uncovering the roots of resistance. If you've ever worked in sales, you know. Success comes from understanding a client's concerns and positioning your solution as the answer. The same applies when presenting AI to your own workforce. Employees may be wary of new technology, especially if they can't see how it will directly improve their jobs, or if memories of past tech rollouts still sting due to layoffs or painful restructuring. Anxiety about job security is real. So is skepticism about unproven promises. And this is the part most people miss. The surest way to ease fears is by leading with empathy and clear communication. Renowned negotiator Chris Voss advises, when someone feels thoroughly understood, you release potent forces for change within them. Proactively check in with your teams. Ask them how they're feeling. Inquire about their needs and challenges. Foster psychological safety so that employees know they can share their true concerns without fear of judgment. Leaders who really listen can shift the narrative around AI, from being viewed as a looming threat to an exciting opportunity for growth. It's not just about efficiency, it's about quality. Many CEOs are enamored with AI's promise to boost productivity and cut costs. But, and here's a potential flashpoint, if you only sell AI as a tool for efficiency, employees may interpret that as a threat to their job security. Efficiency can sound a lot like redundancy. Instead, make sure the conversation spotlights how AI can enhance the quality of work. If AI takes over repetitive tasks, your people gain more time for creative problem-solving, meaningful collaboration, and deeper analysis. That's a company win, yes, but it's also a personal victory for each employee who gets to do more valuable, engaging work. How you discuss AI matters. If leaders hold up AI-created outputs as better than those produced by people, some team members may worry their unique skills aren't appreciated. The message needs to be clear and consistent. AI is here as a smart helper, complementing human strengths, not replacing them. People-first tactics for AI adoption. So how can organizations foster real AI success? The answer: approach adoption as a people-centric journey, not just a technical upgrade. Here are 4 proven strategies to build resilience and minimize resistance. 1. Be transparent to build trust. When introducing AI, explain why the change is happening, how it will impact employees, and what ethical considerations and support systems will be in place. Honesty and clarity about job impacts, training, and ongoing support help reduce uncertainty and foster trust. 2. Instill a growth mindset. Encourage employees to ask questions, test out new AI tools, and share feedback. Peer-to-peer support can greatly ease transitions. People who are part of the process are less likely to fear it. 3. Craft a motivating message. Constantly frame AI as something that frees up time for higher-level, high-impact work, not simply as a cost-cutting agent. Reinforce the notion that AI supports and augments skilled employees instead of rendering their roles obsolete. 4. Invest in training and upskilling. Give your teams the resources, confidence, and skills they need to integrate AI into everyday work. Make AI training part of career development and promote lifelong learning to help everyone grow alongside the technology. Empathy breeds resilience. AI is already rewriting the rules of work. The organizations that flourish in this era will be those led by empathetic managers creating cultures of resilience. When employees view AI as a partner in their journey, not a threat to their livelihoods, they're more willing to invest their effort and creativity. If you want your company to grab those elusive AI gains, remember, implementation is only half the battle. The real differentiator is inspiration. Build trust, communicate with purpose, and empower your people to grow. Here's the bottom line. Resistance to change is almost inevitable, but resilience is something great leaders intentionally cultivate. Treating AI adoption as a fundamentally human challenge unlocks not just productivity, but also unprecedented levels of ingenuity, loyalty, and motivation, the things only people can give. And here's a question that could get people talking. Do you believe AI can ever replace the uniquely human contributions in your organization, or will it always play a supporting role? Have your say below. Let's hear what you think. About the author, Donald Thompson, recognized as EY Entrepreneur of the Year, 2023, Southeast, is the visionary founder of the diversity movement, part of Workplace Options, and dedicated to transformative, diversity-focused culture change. Honored by Inc., Fast Company, and Forbes, he authored Underestimated, A CEO's Unlikely Path to Success, leads the High-Octane Leadership in an Empathetic World podcast, and is widely published on leadership and executive mindset. His latest book, The Inclusive Leadership Handbook, Balancing People and Performance for Sustainable Growth, is co-authored with Kurt Merriweather, VP of Global Marketing at Workplace Options. You can follow Donald Thompson on LinkedIn for updates or reach out at info@donaldthompson.com for executive coaching and speaking events. Copyright 2025 Capital Broadcasting Company.